What's going on guys, Pog here and welcome to today's video. In this video I will be installing some LED lighting, interior LED lighting inside my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. So let's kind of get started. So this is the kit that I purchased from Amazon. So it comes with this remote, not that expensive whatsoever. It also has two different versions. So this one here has the 48 LEDs plus it's a USB version. There's also a one that has cigarette lighter, and these are the lights. They have this 3M tape in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install them and then I'll show you guys at night what it looks like. Alright guys, so it is nighttime. I did go ahead and install it. To be honest, the installation was very easy. I think I also did a very good job hiding the cables, which I will show you guys tomorrow morning or afternoon, like whenever I get a chance to show you guys the inside of the car during daylight. But right now pretty much I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without the ambient lighting or this LED lighting inside the vehicle. So this is before, even though I've already installed it, I just have it off at this point. So let's say you come to the vehicle, pretty much this is how it looks like. You know, you get your blue lights over there near the handles, pretty much like this. You get some on this bottom part right here. This is default from Jeep, okay? And then if we go over there, you can see the cup holders and stuff like that. And when the door is open, you also have, you know, the lights on, but you can also change that so it doesn't turn on. Let me show you the back. The trunk also has those two lights. The rear, we have again nice blue lighting where the cup would go, the handle, the heated seats, two USB port. This is how I powered it. I'm also hiding the receiver on the bottom there, but again we got these nice push lights. But this is pretty much what the Jeep looked like before. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys when the LED lights are on. So at the moment I have them on the fade effect. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, the cool thing is that these SRT steel plates, I believe they're called, this one here is not the illuminated version, but then because of the glow and the aluminum, it kind of makes it look like that's glowing. What do you guys think? That looks so good at night. Also, there's the passenger side there. Again, you can kind of see that illumination through the under the door for the steel panels, I think they're called. Now here's the rear. Again, it looks super nice, super nice. Let me show you guys from a distance. So here's what it looks like from the passenger side. The door open both ways. It is actually a lot more brighter, a lot nicer, you know, to me than it is on camera. But you can also see, if you look from low, where you can see the LED lights under there. But wow, this really looks great. Here's a closer look at the passenger rear. Now, you know, having lighting there, also having it where the handle is, just kind of looks very nice. Now sitting inside the Jeep with, you know, the lights off technically when you close the door. Now we got the ambient lighting in the handles. Again, it's much brighter in person than it is on the camera. Keep that in mind. We've got the lighting there on the doors. Now looking on the bottom, you can see that the glowiness right now through the fade, it still looks super nice. Here's the passenger side. You can see the door handle there. And then kind of hard to show the rear, but trying to do my best from the front. So now here's the remote control. As you guys can see, it's very basic, but as long as it gets the job done, that's all that matters. Very simple to use. So we have our on and off, and these ones here allows you to adjust the brightness. Now have it all the way up. Let me also show you from closer. So that's kind of what it looks like. I didn't use the 3M tape, by the way. I decided to use like Velcro zip ties and stuff, because I feel like that's gonna hold it much nicer. Back to the remote. So as you guys can see here, we have red, green, blue, and white. To be honest, the white also looks quite cool. Let me just change it. There we go. If you look from the pedals, it's kind of like this true white, I guess. It's more like tiny, I don't know, would I say it has a little bluish? I don't know. I think it's very nice white. Anyways, that's that. Now if we go over to the red, this is what the red looks like. And again, I have to point the remote closer to the sensor, the IR sensor, I guess. Now it is way brighter again. You're not seeing it properly through the camera. Like, it is very bright. You can see it like right there. So the brightness is pretty nice. We've got green, as you can see. Some colors obviously are much brighter depending on them. So the green looks pretty nice. We also have the blue. So there's the blue. Again, very, very nice, as you can see. And even the rear gets it. I think the blue suits very nice with this car because all the lighting that the car has on its own is kind of like this blue here. The one that seems like matches the best with the Grand Cherokee SRT here is the cyan color, because it feels like you know, the handles, the cup holder rings over here. If I turn it off right here, the ceiling light, you can see I feel like it matches the best with that. Now with the remote, you also have this very cool feature. So you got your jump 3 and 7. You also have like the fade effects. Now the jump is like this Christmas tree lights. So if you kind of check it out, it kind of looks very, very cool. There we go. So if you're parked in the parking lot, you can kind of turn this on during the holiday season. I think it's very, very cool. Same effect in the rear. Then you have the jump 7, I think this is, yep. So let's push that. Again, you have cool modes. Now this is the jump 7. Again, probably not the best decision to drive like this, but you know, if you're parked and you just want to do that, it's pretty nice. I think the fade 3 seems like the nicest. If you want all the colors, kind of fades in between the colors. That's kind of what I had in the past when I just started the video. So you can see, just goes through all the colors. Very, very nice. Let me turn off that light there so you can kind of see. Super, super nice. And this is kind of what I see. And again, very, very nice. Now the cool one is like this music one. So this one here, you can put a music and it's gonna start dancing, I guess, to it. Let me show you. So because it's kind of nighttime, and I think it matters where you position the receiver, I guess, that catches the audio. You do have to have it a little bit loud for it to do the dances, I guess. So now if I go ahead and play this, I'm gonna add some volume. As you can see, so now when it's a bit quiet, it doesn't change. But then we have this, there we go. This one here will be the music 4. Kind of turns on whenever there's the beat. Let's try the other ones. There's the music 1. This is what the 1 looks like. That's pretty cool. This is what it looks like from the outside. If you look through the window, you open the door, this is kind of what it looks like. Excuse the tissue box, I guess. But overall, guys, it looks very, very nice, very inviting, let's say. I really like it. You walk to your car, you open the door. Again, there's kind of what it looks like, but you open the door and now you have this beautiful interior. I mean, it was already nice, but then this just makes it even nicer. So overall, very happy with it. So it is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the installation looks like during daytime. So we're gonna start off with the passenger side here. So obviously whenever I open it, you can probably see there's no any cable that's connected to the light. This cable over here is actually for the dash cam, so this is nothing to do with the actual LED install. Now if I look over here, so this is obviously the passenger side. What I had to do was to take these plastic clips off and then put this panel down, and then kind of use some Velcro ties to connect it to this panel here, and then hide the cable that comes out of here all the way through here and here, and it kind of goes all the way to the back. Now whenever it's in the back, as you can see, very minimal cables here, so they comes out of here, and then most cables, the extra cables, are hidden under here, and then it's powered through this USB port. This is what the rear passenger seat install looks like. And then here's the driver, and again same side for the driver, the way the cables are coming through. And over there, as you can see, is the receiver, and this is what you point the remote on to kind of control, so it's in the back here, nicely hidden, as you can see. Now here's the driver's side during daytime. Again, you guys can see, you can still see the lighting even during daytime. This is what the installation looks like. And again, the cables again go through here, so the cable comes out there and then goes inside there and then all the way to the back. Overall, turned out to be a very nice install. So if you guys want to do something like this to your vehicle, I highly recommend it. Sorry about the mess in the back, it's from my German Shepherd. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and also subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.